And here I am walking out of the gate of the Arizona on Tuesday afternoon to get a tricycle. It takes me about 1 kilometer down the highway to the hospital for my next appointment with the surgeon. And here I am just outside the gate entrance to the hospital. Let's see, I was trying to zoom in on the signs up there, see if they can be read. It's got the name, services offered, professional medical services, detailed laboratory services, and swing over that way a little bit. And that's the hospital itself. Now, this road is a national highway in this area of the island. What you're looking at in that direction is going north, so less than 1 kilometer or so is where the Arizona is. Continue on that road, you go to the actual city of Subic, for which the bay is named, or maybe the city is named after the bay, I'm not sure. So here I am at the hospital. It's still Tuesday afternoon, of course. And I'll zoom in on this so you can maybe read it. Our Lady of Lourdes International Medical Center. This is a private hospital located right here in, I guess this is Moreto or Olongapo, I'm not sure which. But like I said, it's less than 1 kilometer from the Arizona, so quite convenient. I just had a brief meeting with the surgeon. She gave me my admittance orders. So tomorrow, Wednesday morning, I go in at 10, and they start the prep work, exam and such. She said the surgery should be about 1 p.m. I asked about cost. She said hopefully under 60,000 pesos, which is about $1,500 US. That's quite a deal because, as many of you know, one foot in the door in an American hospital for $1,500. And this includes the surgery, a 1-day stay in the hospital, all necessary medication, and bandages and so forth like that. Anyway, I'm heading back to the Arizona now. Well, folks, here I am. It's Wednesday morning, I don't know, about 10:30 or so. I've been admitted, and this is my private room. Got a bed there, cable TV, air conditioning, and my very own brand new pillow that I'm allowed to take with me when I leave. Got a little care package here. It's got toilet paper in it, a cup, some alcohol, a brush, my own thermometer, and a toothbrush. So it's like a halfway decent hotel room for here. Got a sink and a fridge. I don't know if there's anything in the fridge, a little cabinet there. Anyway, supposedly they're going to come in here and start prepping me for the operation, which will be at 1 o'clock. Until then, I'm signing off. Hello, everybody. It's a Wednesday evening, about getting on towards 7 p.m. Had the surgery about 2 o'clock this afternoon. A couple hours in recovery, and they brought me back up to my room here. So, as you can see, I'm still alive and well. Everything went smooth. Everybody here has been absolutely wonderful, very pleasant, very helpful. The surgeon said the surgery went off without a problem, and so I'll just spend the night here, and sometime tomorrow Tommo when I contact him, he'll send his the van from the Arizona over here to pick me up and take me back to my room over there. I kind of passed on the hospital food because when I told Tommo the surgery was over, the first thing he asked me is if I wanted him to send me some food. And I said yes, and had one of my favorite meals, a whole boned grilled chicken breast and french fries sent over, some of which I've eaten, and it's delicious as usual. Anyway, I'm going to get on the internet here for a little while and then probably just go to sleep because I'm a little bit tired and still a little bit numb from the spinal anesthetic that they gave me to deaden the whole lower body for the operation. I was awake and conscious through all of it, and carried on a semi-incoherent conversation with the anesthesiologist. Anyway, that's it for now. Bye.